Yesterday and today. Have you noticed that different people in our family like doing different things? Yeah, like you just check your family only, no? Your mother likes to do something else, your father likes to have some different activity in his leisure time, your brother must be liking to play outside, and you like to watch TV, or you like to have fun playing with your friends or talking to your friends, and your sister must be liking to do art and craft. So everybody has different things to do, right? So because their likings are different, right? For instance, you can see here Sunil's parents like watching movies, while his grandparents, they enjoy reading books and listening to music. Okay, some children also like to play the instruments. Yeah, they like to play the guitar, the piano, keyboards. Yeah, so these are their recreational activities. Sometimes people from different generations, they enjoy different activities. Okay, because in their generation, that was the activity which was actually available to them. Yeah, earlier people did not have TVs and video games, so they preferred to read or play a sport. Also, earlier girls were not encouraged to play sports as much as boys. Know that, therefore, women of our grandparents' generation, they used to spend time in painting, singing, sewing, designing a dress. Like this they used to do. They used to also learn new recipes to cook, that are now also I this is one of my favorite leisure activities. Okay, so different activities were there yesterday and different activities are there now. So yesterday and today the activities are different. Yeah, so let's move ahead. Now what you have to do is to talk to your grandparents, aunts and uncles. Okay, and make a list of the leisure activities they enjoyed as children. Okay, you will go to your grandparents and you will say, Dadaji or Dadiji, Nanaji or Naniji. You can ask them, when you were young, just like me, what were your leisure activities? Okay, so what you used to do, what you used to like to do in your free time. Okay, that is how you have to make a list. So you go and ask your grandparents, then you can ask your aunts or uncles, whoever is there at your place. Okay, and then write these under the headings: recreations in the past. Okay, and now under the heading recreation today, what you have to do, write the activities you enjoy or your sister enjoy. Okay, so whatever your grandparents and uncle and auntie used to enjoy in their time when they were young, or they were children like you, so you have to list down the activities, maybe 5 or 6 or 4, whatever. And today, what you like to do, what activities you enjoy the most. So recreation in the past and recreation today, right? Is there any change in the kind of games that people used to play as compared to the games you like playing? So that you will see, like what your grandparents used to play in the past and what you like to do now, and then you can make out the difference, that whether something has changed or not. Okay, now this is the activity, children. So that was the first activity that you have to do. Now the second activity, find out the names of the famous sports persons who play the following games. You know everything, right? Cricket, everybody knows. Any famous sports persons? Okay, so who is the famous cricketer? Then tennis player, badminton, rifle shooting. Okay, so quickly you have to write this, and then I'm going to ask by calling anyone's name. Okay? Come on, I'm giving you 2, 3, 3 minutes to do.